What's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am a layer 1 lover. You guys know I can't get enough of these layer 1 projects, the ones that are trying to be the next Bitcoin or Solana, and today they're diving headfirst into a brand new one. They just launched the new testnet. In this video I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to interact with it, but the question is, are there any rewards for getting involved? We'll talk about that. Plus, they've already managed to raise more than $17 million in funding. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about the rewards, because I know what you are thinking. Is this just another one of those testnets where I just grab a faucet and forget about it, like OG testnet? The answer is yes. Every single piece of activity you generate on this network is important for a potential airdrop or reward. So stick with me. I'm gonna break down all the essential missions you need to do as a normal user. First things, you need the Keplr wallet, and it is super easy to use. You can grab it right now, whatever works best for you. After that, you're gonna visit this site and you'll see a big button to connect your wallet. Click that. Give the site permission and we're set for the next step. Okay, look at your Keplr wallet extension right now. See that search box? I want you to type in Gopher and make sure you toggle that switch to enable it in your wallet chains. Now head back to the site and find the Faucet section. This is where we get the free test tokens. Paste your wallet address right in the box. Hit get, and you should receive 3 tokens. Remember, you can only hit this faucet once per day. Now go to the staking section right now. Click delegate and select a validator you like. Finally choose your amount. You don't have to stake all of it and delegate it. If your tokens haven't landed yet, don't worry, just come back to this part. Mine are still processing, but we will get it done. Another mission is voting. Right here in this governance section, you need to participate, look at the active proposals, and either vote yes or no, or even choose to reject it. Just remember, the voting windows are very limited. And finally, the bridge. It is not live yet, but this is where the real alpha might be, so you need to set a reminder and keep your eyes on it. Another critical step to make sure you actually qualify for rewards is the Galxe Tasks. This is not optional, guys. They say you might complete these tasks to be eligible for any kind of reward. You have to do them. I've compiled all the links to their official Galxe campaign page for you. You will find everything you need to write in the description section below this video. Go get them down. If you are looking for the highest tier of rewards, you need to check out this specific site. This is a playground for all your developers and programmers out there. If you can contribute to the growth of this blockchain by building on it, this is your chance to shine. The project said it, the best rewards belong to the builders. Final reminder, every task is counted, so stay active on all fronts to maximize your final rewards.